my first role model, and I want to tell him that if there's anything at all that I can do to make him proud, I will go out of my way to make him proud.
I'm very, very proud of the different personalities that they are.
I chat a lot, but you know, when it comes to things like this, you just can't find the words. It's amazing, it's a joy.
He has given me a lot to look forward to when it comes to how the world works.
Even if your father didn't take care of you, that should be all the reason for you to take care of your child. That's not an excuse.
Fatherhood is one of the most noble callings for any man. To be a part of the DNA of a whole new person, to watch that baby grow from a helpless, totally dependent human being to an independent toddler, child, teenager, and adult. To play a part in nurturing that child and being a role model. Now that's something awesome. But unlike gadgets, appliances, and vehicles, children don't come with manuals, and so the journey of fatherhood is often a case of making it up as you go along. It warms the heart to hear men speak with joy and pride about fatherhood.
My name is Maurice Marshall. I'm a father to 2 biological children, but I have been a surrogate to many others.
My name is Dafred Adanta Soul, and I have 1 son. My name is Melvin Pennant. I am officially a father of 2 twin girls. I'm godfather for many.
This is Lancy McLean, and I'm a father of 5 children.
Omar Owens, and I'm a father of 2 wonderful children.
My name is Courtney T. Johnson. I'm a father of many, biologically just 3.
Buju Banton said it best. It's not an easy road. So many see the glamour and the glitter, so them think a bed of roses. Being a father is not always easy. It comes with its challenges, its ups and downs, and as Jamaican old people used to say, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. But in most cases, the good outweighs the bad. What are some of the joys of being a father?
So what you enjoy about, that's what call a father. I me enjoy that.
Schooling them, teaching them, letting them enjoy their childhood. I mean, time is so different. Most time these kids don't get to enjoy their childhood. So it's good when you can allow that and you watch and observe them in the element. I like to do that. That is how you can see the different personalities and stuff. So.
I do everything with my kids. I go for walks with them, whether it be exercise or nature walks. We share the kitchen together, and we party together. And we go for road trips together.
Training young minds and seeing the effect of what you're training come to fruition. Certainly with my son, it's a case of mini-me to see some of the traits that I have in my own life being manifested in him. With my daughters, it is to see them growing up and understanding themselves in a way, and to hear them even saying that, boy, when I start dating, I want a man like that. So that is one of the joys for me.
Coming home in the evenings, they would always greet me at the door. Daddy's home, all excited and, ready to share what would have happened during the day, or want to help me, take off my shoe before getting inside the house, carrying my bag inside. Up to this day, the youngest is doing that, not knowing that, these things are innate in a sense, but it's one of the joys I have of being a father.
You can feel their joy about fatherhood. And here's something interesting. As parents, we often think of our children as sponges, eager to soak up all we have to teach them. But sometimes our children school us. Their wisdom often forces us to look at life differently, from another perspective. So we ask, what is one really important lesson that you have learned from your children?
The need to keep your promises. I'll tell you a quick story. I had a discussion with my daughter, and we have this thing about things that martial men do. And we were talking about it, and she said to me, but Daddy, you don't always do what you say. I said, what do you mean? She said, yes, you said you're going to do this and that and that, and you did not do those things. And it helped me to realize that they were holding me accountable. And although there were justifiable reasons for me not to have done the things that I was supposed to have done, I did not go back and explain to them that there was a challenge. So I learned from that they will hold you responsible and they're listening to what you're saying.
That I can be reprimanded too. Yes, you know, for my girls, they're now teenagers, just became teenagers, and the argument changed. It used to be, Daddy, can I have this? Daddy, am I able to get this? The argument has changed now to, Daddy, I need this by X time, and it humbles you.
Well, they have taught me the values of family. My children are really family oriented, and it led me to seek after family.
Wow. Work hard, you know. And for me get that boy, you know, say cash, so I have to work really, really hard. I never really think I have to work so hard, but from the start get youth, working, turn up.
Well, whenever you make a promise, you better keep it, because it will come back to haunt you. You'll always be earning. But Daddy, you said you're going to do this. Daddy, remember? Yeah, keep your promises when you make them.
And for those who are not yet fathers, reflecting on their own journey and their father's role in shaping the man they have become is an important step.
Some of the greatest moments I've had with my dad tend to coincide a lot with sports events. So a lot of the times we'd go down to places like the National Stadium or Sabina Park, and we'd go there and watch a match. A lot of the times he'd be there, he'd have the time of his life there. I remember last Independence, we went with our whole family to see the Grand Gala. One of the best moments I've had in a very long time with my dad. So
he taught me to stand up for myself, and it may not be as straightforward as you might think. To summarize the situation, we were having a disagreement about, I think it's something along the lines of chores, and then I just got really fed up, and then I lashed out at him, and then we ended up scuffling and fighting. And then after that, after I released all that anger, he took me on the road for a walk and told me that he was proud of me, that I stood up for myself, even though that I knew I was in the right and he was in the wrong. So he told me he was proud of me for that.
when I was about 5, that was, I think, 2006. He had a birthday party for me. I didn't like the clown, but everything else, he made sure that everything else was smooth. You know.
Every parent knows that with children, you raise them to release them. In his poem about children, 19th century Lebanese-American writer and philosopher Khalil Gibran wrote, "Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. And though they are with you, they belong not to you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, because they have their own thoughts. You may house their bodies, but not their souls, for their souls dwell in the houses of tomorrow which you cannot visit, not even in your dreams." Gibran likened parenthood to the bow and arrow by saying of parents, "You are the bow from which your children as living arrows are sent forth." For those who have walked the path of being a bow, sending forth a living arrow, and those who are still on that path, that journey called fatherhood, what nuggets of wisdom are there to pass on to existing and future fathers?
Take time to spend and grow with your children. The time goes away so quickly and they grow up so fast. The time you invest in them when they are young, when they seem to be annoying, when you have other things to do, make them your priority, you will be glad you did, and they will love you for it.
Love your children, and never run away from them, and don't allow the elements to grow them, especially the internet.
Parenting doesn't come with a manual, but always remember, be the father your son emulates and the man your daughter wishes to see in her future partner. Just be that grounded person, loving, but still with a firm hand to discipline when necessary.
First thing, you have to get a good baby mother, somebody where if you took off and gone, she got there. They can always remember, no, it must be your youth, but it must be fair youth. So get a good baby mother, bro.
Mine Pitney. They weren't asked to be born. And even if your father didn't take care of you, that should be all the reason for you to take care of your child. That's not an excuse.
Relish the moment. Relish the moment. They are only babies for a certain time. They are only toddlers for a certain period of time. They are only teenagers for a certain period of time. So relish all the moments. Spend a lot of time with them.
Proud Jamaican fathers, extolling the virtues of fatherhood, their greatest calling, in full acceptance of the major role they play, the privilege and honor in having a hand in shaping the next generation. In doing right by their children, they are part of the engine that creates and guarantees our future and the perpetuation of life itself. Today and every day, the PBCJ salutes fathers across the world. New fathers, grandfathers, surrogate fathers, fathers-in-law, stepfathers, big brothers, and uncles who help to father. Fathers who are playing their part and fathers who are struggling to find a foothold in a relationship with their child or children. Fathers who have lost their children or lost contact with their children. We at PBCJ hope you find comfort in knowing that you played your role. Fatherhood, one of the most noble callings and one that helps to shape the next generation.